Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up DirecTV Stream and enjoy live television without a satellite dish, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the official DirecTV Stream website. Click on Get Started or Sign Up to begin registration. Step 2. Enter your zip code when prompted to check service availability and determine which local channels are accessible in your area. Step 3. Choose your preferred DirecTV Stream package from the available options, such as Entertainment, Choice, Ultimate, or Premiere, based on your viewing preferences and budget. Step 4. Create your account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Use an email you can easily access for account communications. Step 5. Provide your billing information, including credit card or payment details. Review any promotional offers or free trial periods available. Step 6. Review your selected package, channel lineup, and total monthly cost before proceeding. Step 7. Agree to the terms of service and complete the registration by clicking Subscribe or Finish. Step 8. Download the DirecTV Stream app on your devices, such as Smart TV, smartphone, tablet, Apple TV, or Roku. Log in with your new credentials and start streaming over 75 channels with unlimited cloud DVR storage included in most packages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.